took me a little bit. My little sponge top there it's like all pulled apart, so I had to put a new one on there, and of course the little Velcro piece came off. I had to fix that. And of course, you know, when you have to start a new one, you got to really get it to suck up some of the ink. So it took me a little bit, and I went ahead and distressed the inside insert for this. So let's see, and I went ahead and I pre-cut all the little pieces that I wanted, so that way I could have a pocket this way, a little belly band, what have you on there. So I'm going to decorate the whole thing and then glue it in here. So what I went ahead and decided to do, what the inside is instead of just putting tea or coffee stained or avocado dyed, I used some of Amy's Digi, the papers from in there, and because they're already collaged, and I liked how they already look. I don't have to do much distressing to them, just around the edges. So that's what I did, and then I came up a little bit in the center because this will sit in there like that. So let's go ahead and decorate. And one of these edges I will, see, I want it to come out this way. So let's start with this one as the back piece. And I want to put this in here. So I need a piece that's just gonna, I don't want to cover the whole piece. I mean, it's just kind of a waste if only you can only see a portion of it anyway. So let's see, what do I want to put back there? She's got so many pretty papers in here. I think I want to use, where's the one that has the full, here it is, all paper back here. So these are, each segment is 4 inches, so I had to dig out too. I had to dig out my little tray because everything on my glue was sticking. Everything was sticking to this piece of parchment. So crazy. It's crazy how much you forget what you gotta, you know, what you lay down and what you do, and how did I do that last time? And so I'm going to keep it fairly simple as far as the backgrounds. I'm not going to do any major collaging because I think I might do some decorating on the front piece there. Alright, let's move this. Push this back here. Too fast. There we go. All right, and then let's see, how far down do I want it to come? Be able to rip right along that edge. And we'll give it a little inkle-dinkle-doos. and what I did around here is I just used my corner punch to round my corners a little bit. Soften my edges. This will be a little bit better and easier to clean up off the glass than trying to get everything. Everything will stick to this parchment over here. Because this glue, it's good. I've seen some, you know, I've got tons of glue sticks, and half the time they just don't stick very well. These seem to be sticking quite well, actually. So, all right, and then we will put that on there. Trim the edges there a little bit. Pulling it away like that to kind of leave a rough edge there, so it doesn't look so straight. Looks a little jaggedy, so I want to go there. But I want to decorate it a little bit. So let's see. You probably hear my Uber-Duber down there. She's just snoring away. Let's see. I think I want to put. Decorate the pocket here. She's just going to town underneath there. Well, it's been so crazy. I haven't really been able to spend a whole lot of time walking them and doing all that stuff with them lately. So they're, I think, feeling a little neglected and wanting to hang out all the time at my feet. So she's just a happy little camper. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep the rest of this kit too, and when I think I'm going to integrate it with my next journal, with the Martha journal I'm going to do. And because I really like her papers, I think they'll go along really good with the digital that I made. Okay, and then I want to put a little, like, something fabric or lace or something on there. What do I want to do? How about like a little piece right there? That'd be kind of cute. So let me cut a piece of that off. Roll that back up here in a minute. Okay, so expecting a few packages today. Ordered some more supplies. I got a stick of that just to try it, and then I had ordered some more, hopes that it would be good, so I'm glad that it has. Alright, I'm going to use a little Fabri-Tac here on this. And just a straight line there. And then just from the seam of this, just kind of stick it in there. There. Kind of bunch it up. Cinch it up a little bit. There we go. I think that would be pretty in there. Nice little tuck spot back there. So since I already got this out, I'll go ahead and use this. She's just going to town. Wow. She must just be out. Tired puppy. Oh, Ubi. Okay, so we got that one, and that'll be my back one. Let it dry. Slide a little something in there to see. Oh, I think I have a little card in here. Slide that in to keep it from sticking. Put two of them in there. Okay, so now we want to do this side. And I'll speed, like I said, you'll see, I'll speed some of this up. Like the inking and stuff like that, so it won't be so tedious. Alright. Let's see. I'm going to use, I think, a corner pouch there, like that. So I've got a tuck in there. So I want a little something that's going to go there. Kind of like that. That's nice. And I love this blue. So I want to make sure I keep, let's see. I just feel like I'm running out of room. I'm so used to having everything so organized. And then when you don't, it's crazy. Alright, keep that piece right there. And let's see. Sorry. This. piece there. Okay. All right. Set that down. I think I'm going to just leave the glue table up here so I have a little room down here to craft. There we go. I didn't ink this end because it's just going to be inside anyways. And then let's see, this way. And that way I have a tuck here. What do I want to do here? Let's see. I don't want to put too much lace on there because then it'll make it too thick. Okay, let's see. How that would look. That's too short still. I think that'll look all right like that. If I ink over it to kind of take some of the whiteness out a bit. So let's see. This is inch and a half. So ooh, come here. Don't go running off an inch over here. Sometimes I feel like my craziness from before is just turned into like real weirdness lately. I don't know why. I don't know. I just gotta find my groove again. It's kind of hard sometimes after, you know, such a significant event happens in your life to try and pick up again where you, because you can't. You just can't pick up where you left off because so many things have changed. So you just got to find that niche again. And I think I just need to, you know, put in my calendar, no, I'm busy this day, this is my day to craft, you know, and just go with it. And, you know, the world is just going to have to suck it up. You know? But I just want to do something fun with this. Something that I can use in my next journal, you know, so I have some stuff ready to go. Alright. Alright, come on. Glue hasn't been used. I had to add some fingernail polish remover earlier because it just was not coming out of the bottle at all. It was not having it. Not today, not today. Alright. does, it'll stick to these instead. Okay. There we go. Alright. And let's see, I think I want a little bottom pocket here so I can put tags up and down this way, or even some journaling or postcards even would look good in there. So this one, let's see, here we go, put like that there. So where is my ruler? It's right there. It's like, where is my ruler? I love these roses. Look at them. I love how she got the script on the back, and then she just collaged. Oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. And I love the fact they're already collaged for you, so you really don't have to do too much. Goodness, Denise, come on. I mean, you could just use them, just fold them and use them as journal pages already in a journal because they're already collaged. I love that because I kind of stink at collaging. Practice, I know. Practice, practice. And I feel so unorganized because I haven't been in here and everything just kind of got left where it was from where I was working on that summertime journal, you know, the beekeeper journal, when all that happened. So I kind of felt like, I know it's here, but where is it? You know, because when you're in your groove and then the next day you come in, you knew exactly where you left it. You go a couple months and then it's, sorry, didn't mean to hit that. It's like, where did I put that again? Okay, so. Right there, see, it's already, I love it. It's already collaged, so it just makes it really easy. You just need to cut out the size pieces that you need and away you go. So thank you, Amy, for doing that, because that's pretty awesome. Anything that will make it much easier to do. I like doing the edges like this because they seem to come out a little darker. Like that. Like it gives more definition to it than just rubbing it. Rubbing it's great because you can get more of the edge, but I like getting that definition in there first and then, you know. Ooh, squeaky. New sponge makes it squeaky. Sorry about that. Anybody doesn't like that. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta cut back my nails too. I don't normally craft with these long nails because I can't pick anything up. Everything seems to stick to them. My other friend, Allie from the Cockney Crafter. She always has her nails nice and pretty and painted. And I just can't do it. I use that glue and there it goes. First time. It's like, it's almost like the nail polish becomes part of the part of the project. There we go. I like that. It's kind of cute. Okay. Nice thin bead here. I mean, I know this was the top part, but it's kind of cute. See? Keep that glue in there. Yeah. Okay. One more end over here, and then I think I'll turn off the camera to flip it over and do the other side, and then show you guys, like, what I've done from there. Just to kind of, I just kind of want to do this, kind of show you some different stuff that you could do. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I think I want to do that one there, like that. So, actually, I think what I'm going to do is finish kind of decorating a little bit off camera. So this video, because I really don't want it to be that long. And then I will come back and show you guys how I glue it in there. And then it'll be done. So I will be back here shortly as soon as I get some more of this done. Hold tight. Okay guys, I am back. I finished decorating. I don't want to take up all your time doing that. I did a couple. You guys kind of got the idea on that. So this is what I did. We did these 3 on camera. You know, we've got a little tuck in here, a little tuck here, pocket here, and then this one has a little bit longer edge. And then this is the side that will be glued in here. So here I've got another little pocket, another little, it looks like a little file folder end there, and then a belly band here. So, okay, now, and then I sewed on here, sewed this on here, just put a little button and did just some minor decorating. I didn't want to make it too thick, because, you know, it's still got to stay in here and then Velcro down. And then I sewed around here, just to kind of give it a little bit of something in there. So now what I want to do is glue this in here, and I hope this glue is going to be strong enough to hold that. So, only way to do is to try, right? Because if it does come off, then I can just use a stronger Fabri-Tac later. It's not a big deal. But this glue has been pretty darn sticky, so thank you so much, Amy, for letting me know where to get it. She got it on Amazon, and she sent me a link to where she got it, so I thought that was kind of sweet of her to do that. Okay, so I want to do is put a little Velcro piece. I have these Velcro circles, and I'm thinking they may be a little, maybe not so big, because I want it to be strong enough to hold it down. I thought about cutting it in half, but I think I'm going to use the full circle. So I'll take the fuzzy end, line it up, and stick it over the top of the rough end here so it stays. And then let's see, put it right all I have to do is fold it over, press it down, and voila. Now it's even every time I fold it down. So, and that is it, guys. So now all I have to do is when I get my journal started and get it finished, this will go on either on the inside, front or back. I haven't decided yet. It just depends on, you know, how you get when you get there and get to that point. But now I'll have a little place to glue it inside there, be able to open it. I can fill it with tags or journaling cards and have just an extra little space to put stuff. There's plenty of room in here for it to expand if needed. So there we go. It's a nice little project I did. It's a design team project for Crafty Cat. I will leave the links below for the digitals, 1891 and Old Papers Volume 2 in her Etsy. And thanks for joining me, guys. Let me know what you think. And I'll be back shortly to try and do some more on that other journal so I can get it finished up. I may even be doing a video later tonight on it. So until next time, guys, hugs, blessings, and plenty of love. Mwah. Bye.